Most corporate teams don't have an AI problem. They have a coordination problem. Information exists everywhere, but it rarely moves efficiently between people. Meetings happen without enough context. Important updates disappear inside long email threads. Decisions get made, but nobody records why they were made. When employees leave, valuable knowledge often leaves with them. Teams spend hours searching for information that already exists somewhere else. The same research, documents, and explanations get recreated again and again. This is where AI workflows can make a difference. Not by replacing people, but by helping teams work together more effectively. AI creates a structured layer on top of existing business processes. Information becomes easier to find. Decisions get documented automatically. Routine coordination tasks happen faster and with less manual effort. The result? Teams spend less time managing information and more time focusing on meaningful work. In this guide, you'll learn how corporate teams can implement practical AI workflows without a large IT project or complex technical setup. We'll use Notion AI, one of the most accessible platforms for building AI-powered workflows across departments. No developer support required. Whether you work in HR, operations, administration, project management, or leadership, the framework can be adapted to your team's needs. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to design a corporate AI workflow. You'll learn how to build it step by step inside Notion AI. And you'll see real examples of how organizations use AI workflows to solve everyday operational challenges.
Okay, now let's go to Notion. Since I already have an account, I'll just click on it. Open Notion here. Now we create a new workspace. You can click here. Okay, next, there are several options here. You just choose the part for work on. Don't forget, in this section, you can enter the email addresses of the team you want to invite. You can do this one by one or all at once, like this. So that you are not confused about the layout of your workspace, you must give your workspace a name. This is your new workspace. Notion has made things easy for us. We can add anything we can to your workspace using this menu. Let's use an example. We'll create project data here. You can click the plus sign here, then type a / and the next menu will appear. Okay, now let's make an example. Let's just make an example project, okay? Okay, the project page example is ready. Here, you can add your company's projects. Very interesting, isn't it? In this section, you can add items according to your team or business needs. There are so many tools available in Notion. Isn't that impressive? Next, let's create an SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure page. This is crucial because it ensures your team understands your company's standard operating procedures. And to make it easier to create the SOP page, we'll create it using Prompt. You can design your own prompt or create one using ChatGPT. You can also see examples of prompts on our website on www.internetbusiness.net. Okay, now we have an SOP page. Next, we'll create a database to store meeting notes. You can create one using the template provided here. Now we have a meeting notes page or database. Here you can customize the content based on your team's meeting outcomes. Wow, this looks so easy. And this is the most interesting part, guys. We can also take meeting notes live. We'll create a meeting summary page with prompts. To use a prompt, simply press the spacebar on your keyboard. An AI dialog box will appear and you can enter your prompt. It's incredibly easy. And now you can summarize your meetings live. The AI will record all conversations and summarize your meeting results. This is truly amazing. Notion is far more than a note-taking application. It serves as a centralized workspace where teams can manage projects, organize company knowledge, document processes, track tasks, collaborate on ideas, and streamline daily operations within a single platform. With Notion, you can create custom databases, build internal knowledge bases, manage SOP, track team performance, organize meeting notes, and develop AI-assisted workflows that help reduce repetitive work. By integrating Notion with tools such as Google Drive, Slack, Google Calendar, GitHub, Zapier, Make, and many other business applications, teams can create a connected digital ecosystem that improves productivity and information flow across departments. The addition of Notion AI further enhances these capabilities by helping teams generate content, summarize meetings, extract key insights, answer questions from company knowledge, and automate documentation tasks. This allows employees to spend less time searching for information and more time focusing on meaningful work that drives business growth. Whether you are managing a small team, a growing startup, or a large organization, Notion provides the flexibility to adapt to different workflows while keeping information organized and accessible for everyone involved. As AI and workplace collaboration continue to evolve, platforms like Notion are becoming increasingly valuable for building efficient, scalable, and knowledge-driven organizations. Good luck, and we wish you success in building a more productive, organized, and AI-ready workflow for the future of work.